Hello, we're going to take a look at a superclass subclass example, and it is the tutorial 3 from your textbook 10-3. It has a computer science student that will be created, or actually the number of hours necessary for their major will be calculated. So if we have a student, Fred Flintstone, and the ID for Fred, and we say Fred's going to be a software engineer, and we select the number of hours that are required, that's what this program does. So nothing fancy. If we take a look behind the scenes at the code, first of all, you have a abstract base class. When you have an abstract base class, that class is purely a class template. You can't actually create an object named student. And in our code for the form, if we view the code for the form code will never create directly a student. They're going to create a computer science student. So that's going to be, so if I go back to the student class, you can take a look and see that we have an abstract class. We do have a constructor that brings in the name and an ID. It assigns the name and the ID to the local instance fields. Notice the naming convention with an underscore on the instance fields. In Visual CSharp style, we have our getters and our setters for the name property and the ID property. And we have an abstract method, required hours. An abstract method is, again, just like an abstract class. It's a template. You can never actually call the you will call the abstract method, but there is no written implementation in the base class. All of the instructions for how to handle required hours needs to be in each individual subclass.